Hello dear students, welcome to Organic Chemistry Classroom. Today we are going to discuss about a rearrangement reaction called Curtius rearrangement reaction. This is an exclusive rearrangement reaction for the preparation of isocyanates. So this is an exclusive reaction for preparing isocyanates. And these isocyanates are prepared from acyl acids by heating these acyl acids. Let us see an example RC double bond O N3. So this is N3. This is acyl acid. This on heating gives RN double bond C double bond O. So this is the isocyanate. Okay, and these acyl acids can be in turn prepared from acids. I will show you the reactions involved. This carboxylic acid on treatment with the thionyl chloride gives acid derivative, that is acid chloride, and this acid chloride on simple treatment with the sodium acid, that is NaN3, give our starting material, that is RCON3. So this is the acyl acid. And moving on to the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, before writing the mechanism, I would like to write two of the resonance structures of this acyl acid. So this exists in various resonance structures like this: N double bond N plus double bond N minus. Also, this nitrogen can be shifted to, electron can be shifted to this bond, and this bond can be shifted to here. So we can write another resonance form like this: R N minus single bond N plus triple bond. So this is two of the resonance structures of this acyl acid. So when we heat, let me write one of the resonance structures, the second one here, N minus, then N plus triple bond N, and this on heating undergo a concerted one-step reaction which eliminate nitrogen molecule to form the final product, as this electron shifted to this carbon nitrogen bond, and this R group get migrated to this nitrogen, and this eliminate as N2 molecule, and we get R. Then this R is now attached to this nitrogen, and followed by we have a double bond C, and then we have a double bond O. So this is the isocyanate. Okay, so Curtius rearrangement reaction is a simple method for preparing isocyanate from acyl acids. Thank you.